everyone, and thank you, Scott, for the introduction. Good morning, Steve. I'm very glad to be back here in the Greater Toronto Area to make this important announcement. I'd also like to thank the Ontario Trucking Association for hosting us here today and the Canadian Trucking Alliance for joining us. Our government is committed to a transportation system that is safe and reliable and that supports trade and the movement of people and goods. As Minister of Transport, improving the safety of Canadians has been my top priority throughout my mandate. And I know for a fact that truck drivers and bus drivers share that goal. That's why I'm always interested in finding new ways and new technologies to make our roads safer. An electronic logging device is definitely a technology that will accomplish that goal. These devices log when and for how long a commercial vehicle is in use. They help drivers and employers comply with hours of service regulations and can reduce the potential for driver fatigue. They also save time and money by eliminating the need for time-consuming paper logs and reducing the time that enforcement officers spend verifying compliance with regulations. Today, I'm pleased to announce that effective June 2021, that is in 2 years, all drivers of federally regulated commercial trucks and buses operating in Canada will be required to use electronic logging devices. Aujourd'hui, j'ai le plaisir d'annoncer qu'à partir de